Right, so today we are looking at solving equations, but not just solving normal equations. These have letters or unknowns on both sides. Okay, I'm hoping you've looked at the previous videos with solving just basic equations. This is just an extra layer on the top. Okay, so hopefully you've got your different color pens for the sides that we did before, and then when we put the extra layer on, it's a very, very simple step. However, we can see it in different ways, okay? But let's have a quick recap of these first before we move on. Okay, so to get us thinking about algebra now, remember inverse operations to solve. Inverse opposite. Hopefully you've got a number line to hand as well to help you with these numbers. So inverse, we need to get x by itself. That's what we're trying to find out or trying to solve. Here we have plus 3. Inverse of plus 3 is to subtract 3. So 17 take away 3 is 14. If I've eliminated this part, I have 2x left here. To eliminate the 2, we need to divide by 2, okay? Because 2x, remember, is 2 times x, or x times 2, same thing. Inverse of multiplication is division. So divide by 2. So x equals 7. 2 lots of 7 is 14, plus 3 equals 17. It works. So over here then, different colour pen. We need to get x by itself, but let's get rid of everything else, or eliminate everything else first. To eliminate the minus 7, we have to add 7. Minus 1 adds 7. Is 6, okay? Be careful. I know you're seeing 1 and adding 7, automatically your brain goes to 8. However, it is minus 1. Use your number line. Start on minus 1, add 7, you land on 6. So if I've eliminated just this part, I have 3x over 4 here still to work with. So because I've got this divide by 4 and I've got 3 times x, I need to eliminate the divide first, okay? Because that's dividing all of that by 4. So I'm going to circle this bit. Fractions mean divide, looks like a divide symbol, little thing to help remember. That is divide by 4, inverse of divide by 4 is a times by 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. If we eliminate divide by 4, 3x is still there. But we want x by itself. Eliminate the 3 by dividing by 3. So then x is 8, because 24 divided by 3 is 8. Right, that's the 2-step. Well, you can see there's 3 steps, that one. But you can see that's the basic sort of style of solving equations. Now let's get on to unknowns on both sides. Okay, I've got a variety of examples showing things in a slightly different format. So I've got 4 lots of x, take away 9, is equal to 2 lots of x plus 5. Okay, now before, we would circle the number and then bring it over, etc., etc. However, we have got unknowns on both sides. Your tip now, use different colour pen. Eliminate smallest unknown. That there is the key phrase for any of these equations, okay? Write it down, have it there by your examples. So here we have 2 unknowns. We have a 4x and a 2x, okay? Unknown is your letter. So smallest is 2x, okay? Eliminate 2x. Well, 2x by itself is a positive number, okay? So we need to eliminate that, use the inverse operations. Inverse of 2x is minus 2x. 4x take away 2x is 2x. You will notice, look, I only took the x's away from the x here. I didn't take it away from the 9, or the minus 9, because it doesn't have an x. I can only subtract x's from x's. So we've subtracted 2x, the minus 9 we haven't changed, and the 5 we haven't changed. Think of a set of weighing scales. Okay, if I've taken away 2x from this side, it's got lighter. Okay, think of the scales now coming across, take away 2x, it's gone lighter. So I've taken away 2x from here as well to balance it out, to make it equal. I've taken 2x off this side, 2x off that side. Still weighs the same. Now, we've got a really basic equation like we had here. Very familiar equation. So to eliminate the minus 9, we have to add 9. 5 add 9 is 14. Over here we have 2x. Eliminate the 2 by dividing by 2. So then x equals 7. Okay, as I said before, this part here is just one extra layer on the top. Of course, there are going to be layers on top of that as well. Okay, however, today we're just looking at this one extra step here. You'll notice I've put in brackets what I'm doing. Okay, these are my workings. I've also got my equal sign all in line. My x's is 2 backward c's. Okay, it's not a time sign. Okay, these are good habits to get into in order to progress onto more harder things with the Gcse. Okay, different question. Same format. Eliminate smallest unknown. Which one's smallest? Is 3x smaller or is 5x smaller? Well, 3x is smaller, right, but it's on this side. Does it matter? No, because it's equal. Remember those scales. Eliminate smallest unknown. Okay, so I have to eliminate it from the 5x, because we can only take away x's from x's. So 5x take away 3x is 2x. You'll notice my equal signs are in line straight away. I haven't addressed the -7 and I haven't addressed the 15. Don't need to put a plus sign in front. We know it's positive as it is. Right, now this might make your brain a bit crazy because it doesn't quite look right. Still equal. This here is exactly the same as switching it around. Okay, it's equal. You could keep it like this, or you could switch it around. Completely up to you. We want the x by itself, so we need to eliminate, choose my different colour pen, eliminate the -7 by adding 7. 15 add 7 is 22, 2x here. Eliminate the 2 by dividing by 2. So 11 equals x, or x equals 11. It means the same thing because, again, they're equal. So if the smallest unknown is on the left-hand side, it doesn't matter. Remember, still subtract it from the biggest one. Okay, last one. 3x take away 7 equals 8 take away 2x. Right, let's eliminate the smallest unknown. Which one is the smallest? See if you can fall into the trap. Yes, this is smallest. However, it is a -2x. So you circle the whole thing. Okay, be careful. If we had a 5x here and a -7x over there, which one is smaller? -7x. I know you're looking at the 7 going, oh, but sir, the 7's bigger than 5. I know, but be careful. It is a -7. -7 is a lot smaller than 5x. Think temperatures, -7 is a lot colder than 5 degrees. So be careful with negatives. I'll put that here. Be careful with negatives. Okay, so to eliminate -2x, we need to add 2x. We add the x's onto the x's. 3x plus 2x is 5x. The rest stays the same. To eliminate -7, we add 7. 8 add 7 is 15. Make that a bit neater. To eliminate the 5, we divide by 5. Which means x is 3. Okay, now I know a lot of you watching this video could do all of that in your head without writing anything down. I know you can. Fantastic, fair play, that is good maths. But we need to see steps. That's a 3-mark question in GCSE. This part is just 1 mark. Okay, that'd be a bit of a waste. If you can get 3 and you think, oh, it's all right, I'll just put the answer, you're only getting 1 out of 3. Okay, I know you can do the maths, but if we're trying to pass an exam, we've got to give the examiner what he or she wants to see. So let's tick the boxes for them and show off with your workings. Equal signs in line, be careful with negatives, inverse to solve, eliminate smallest unknown. Hope it helps.